Hi everyone, this is Emma. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this very easy starburst granny square. So let's get started. To make this easy granny square, you're going to need 4 different colors and a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. And this is worsted weight yarn. Start with a slip knot. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to join and form a ring. And there's the ring. Carry the yarn end along the outside of the ring. Chain 2. And that will count as the first stitch. Work 15 double crochet in the ring. To make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through. Pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops. So go ahead and work 15 double crochet in the ring. Okay, I've gone ahead and I've worked 15 double crochet in the ring. At the end of the row, find that first chain 2 and slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 2. And now that's the yarn end that we've carried along the outside of the ring. You can pull that yarn in and close up the center, and you'll have the equivalent of 16 double crochet in the ring. Fasten off. Join a new color yarn, pull it in, chain 2, 1, 2. Now I'm going to work a puff stitch in every stitch around. To make a puff stitch, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pull up a loop. Yarn around the hook, insert into the same stitch, pull up a loop. Yarn over, insert into the same stitch, and pull up a loop. You will have 7 loops on the hook. Pick up the yarn, pull it through all loops on the hook. After completing the puff stitch, chain 1. Now work 1 puff stitch in every stitch around with a chain 1, separating them. So yarn around the hook and pull it up. Around the hook, insert into the stitch, pull up a loop. Yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pull up a loop. You'll have 7 loops on the hook. Pick up the yarn, pull it through all 7 loops. Chain 1. Go to the next stitch and work another puff stitch. Seven loops on the hook. Pick up the yarn, pull through all 7. Chain 1. Work 1 puff stitch in each stitch all the way around, and you'll have 16 puff stitches. Okay, I worked all the way around. I have 16 puff stitches all the way around. I have 16 chain 1 spaces all the way around, and I'm going to slip stitch to join in the top of the first puff stitch and fasten off. Attach a new yarn in any chain 1 space. Chain 2, and I'm going to do the first chain with both the yarn end and the working yarn. And that will lock in the color. And do 1 more chain. So that's chain 2. And this row will be cluster stitches. To make the first cluster stitch, yarn around the hook, insert the hook into the same stitch and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through 2 of the loops. And I'm going to do that 2 more times. Yarn over, insert into the stitch, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, insert into the stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. You're going to have 4 loops on your hook. Pick up the yarn, pull through all 4 loops. And then chain 2, 1, 2. So in every chain 1 space all the way around, I'm going to work a cluster stitch and then chain 2 in between. So yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pull up a loop, yarn around the hook, pull through 2. Yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pull up a loop, yarn around the hook, pull through 2 loops, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, 4 loops on the hook, pick up the yarn, pull it through all 4, and then chain 2, 1, 2. Like that. So you're going to go ahead and do all the way around. The end of the row, you're going to have 16 cluster stitches and 16 chain 2 spaces. Okay, I worked all the way around. There's my last cluster stitch. There's my last chain 2. I'm going to slip stitch to join in the top of the first cluster stitch. And fasten off. Attach a new color yarn in any chain 2 space. And I'm going to lock it in with that 1 stitch. And I'm going to chain 2 more. So that will be the equivalent of chain 3. And that chain 3 will not count as a stitch. So now in this stitch, I'm going to make 3 triple crochet, chain 3, and 3 triple crochet. To make a triple crochet, yarn around the hook 2 times, insert into the stitch, and pull up a loop. Pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. I'm going to make 2 more triples, chain 3, and 3 triples. So yarn around the hook twice, and 1 more, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and 3 more triples in that same stitch. Like that, and that is my first corner stitch. So now I'm going to work one of the sides. So I'm going to go to the next chain 2 space, and I'm going to work 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Go to the next chain 2 space, work 3 half double crochets. To work a half double crochet, instead of going through those first 2 loops, pick up the yarn, pull through all the loops on the hook. So 3 half double crochet. And now 3 double crochet. Now here's going to be another corner. So we're going to work the same as we did here. 3 triple crochet. Chain 3. 3 triple crochet. And there's our second corner. So you're going to repeat that all the way around. 3 double crochet, 3 half double crochet, 3 double crochet, and a corner. So work all the way around, and then I'll show you how to join up at the end. Okay, I worked all the way around. There's my last 3 double crochet. There's my first corner, and there's that first chain 3 that does not count as a stitch. And I'm going to follow my first triple crochet up, and I'm going to slip stitch to join. And now you can fasten off, and you'll have your finished Starburst granny square. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.